We're on the last leg of our passage to Senegal from Cabo Verde, and it looks like we may be stirred and bobbled for what should be our last night at sea. Okay, we're settling in for the night. I just took an extra reef. I just had one reef, now I've got 2 reefs. The wind's supposed to hit the 20 knots for the evening, I think, until we get close to the coast. Nice thing, it's at a beam reach, so it's alright, but still want to be careful. Like I said, took an extra reef, keep everything safe, and let's hope the night is smooth sailing. Let's hope. It was a broad reach. Yeah, cool. Downwind sailing. But if any of you out there know what waves are like at this angle of the wind, you'll know what I'm talking about. For those of you who don't, it's like this. All night. Talk about rolling over in bed. I didn't get much sleep because of the boats rolling about. And as well, we were in a busy north-south shipping lane. I'd see ships on the AIS and would poke my head out to confirm. Okay, here we are on the 3rd day of our journey. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, local time, here in Dakar. We're about 30 miles away, a little less. Keeping an eye out on this big container ship. He's been crossing our path for a while, it seems like, and I think he's definitely passing in front of us. Not too worried. He's speedy. He's huge. I don't play games with these big girls. My rule is simple. Bigger gets the right of way. The waves relaxed, as did the wind. And as you can hear, Simone, the Perkins 4108 diesel engine, was purring. Not growling and racing as we had limited amount of fuel left. We were just a few miles from Dakar, but had many more to get to our anchorage. The city went on for miles along the coast. Fishermen were out, but they were not laying out their nets. They're booby traps for boats to get snagged in. They were just line fishing around these deserted rocks known as Île du Serpent, or Snake Island. Here we are on the last leg of our journey. We've got about 8 miles to go. I've been running the engine for the past 3 hours, and with the refueling that I did, I'm just hoping and praying that we have enough diesel to get to our destination. It's only about 8 miles now, So please, man, hold on. Hold on.
Sadly, someone had lost diesel here. We just needed about an hour's worth to get to our destination. This is Ile de Gorée, famous for being the French slave trade shipping outpost. It's now a museum and a popular tourist destination. Maybe Wendy and I will go and visit. It's said the town is charming with nice shops and restaurants. And people go to the beach to swim. Yeah, or maybe not. Hanging out on a beach, having a jolly time where some people treated others like meat would be like going to a slaughterhouse amusement park. Okay, now we just have to get past these fishing vessels. Mostly Chinese. I have no idea what their story is, but it looks like the fish are not going to be gobbled up by these rotting monsters today. And there you have it. All set to go ashore, baby.
So here we are in Dakar, Senegal. As you can hear, it's raining here. It's gonna probably start to pour. Wow, what a change from Cabo Verde where it hardly ever rains. It's great, it's gonna wash the boat off. And we got here Friday night, which is about 36 hours ago. And we immediately went to eat some food at this great French restaurant that I know, me and Wendy. She was just like delighted. We had rosé wine, she's never had it. She was like, wow. And then we came back to the boat, celebrated a little bit. And then the next day we had to go to the police. Wendy, bienvenue à Senegal, à Dakar. Ooh, I'm getting wet here.
So cool, man. So cool, guys.
To get to the police, you have to walk down the road here. It's about 15 minutes away. Wendy's never been on a train. I'm taking her to the train. She's never been. She's all excited like a little kid. Beautiful. And then we got to the train, and I told her we're going to take a train. She was jumping for joy like a little kid. She's never been on a train.
Destination, Dakar.
I told her, man, I spent maybe a year in full on trains, from commuting to jobs for hours and hours during my lifetime and career. And there she was on the train, just like, wow, you know? And the train here is so nice. We took the train, it was to get to town, but to the city, to go to the police and check in. What's that wind? Well, we got there and it was Saturday and the police said, can't do it today. It's like, oh, okay, have to come back Monday, so we're gonna go back Monday. Ooh, nice. I'm gonna pause for a moment, okay? When everything's wet. And look at this. Yo. In the tropics, man. Damn, everything's soaked. Gotta shut everything. Torrential downstorm. Whoa. Oh my God. It's rain. Chuva. Yeah.
The rain didn't last long and we could go back to the police to check in. Our friend Sandio, the boat taxi man, had come to get us. We seem like old friends now.
Me and Wendy are going to get into the police. Hopefully they'll be there. No, they'll be there. And we'll have a little stroll around the city. It rained all day yesterday and you sure can smell it.
We took a taxi this time. We checked in quickly and even changed money. At the police. Yeah. Why? Well, I asked where I could get some change nearby, and the policeman called a dude who showed up on a scooter. Police put us in a private office where we did our business. Change rate was equal to the current rate, but they delivered. Cool. So we went and spent some money. Wendy was impressed with the local food, like Senegalese rice and shawarma meat. Wendy has never seen anything like this, except perhaps in movies. Now, will she like it? Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.